Thank you. Thank you for coming to see me. I have spent a long time recently observing and studying animals, and it is now my great privilege to be able to tell you all of my findings written in books I have called The History of Animals.
How exciting.
Some animals have feathers and fly like birds, whilst other animals live in the sea and swim like fish, and many animals live on land. But within this distinction, certain animals have different dispositions. For instance, serpents are crafty. Lions are generous. And wolves are crafty.
I thought serpents were crafty.
There can be two animals that are crafty. Also, peacocks are jealous. Foxes are evil. And geese are ashamed. But whilst some of these animals share the same dispositions, only man is capable of recollection. I know. Some of this information is astounding. Like how some animals have sensory limitations, but all animals are capable of the sense of touch. Or how no insect with naked wings, like a bee or a wasp, has blood.
Actually, I'm not so sure about that one.
All land animals capable of motion must have at least 4 limbs.
What about birds?
Birds have 2 feet and 2 wings.
Okay, well what about serpents?
Serpents have 4 limbs.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Now again, I have observed all of this, so you'll have to trust me on some of this stuff. Like all animals are without blood in their brain. Many animals have hair. For man, it goes more grey as we get older. Some hair, such as eyebrows or eyelashes, are there from birth, whilst other hair, such as armpit hair, grows when we are older. Children, women and eunuchs cannot be bald.
I beg to differ.
And man cannot be bald on the back of his head.
I beg to differ also.
Again, I observed all of this. I know it can seem frightening to be given all of this new information at once. For instance, all animals have fat around the pupils of their eyes.
That doesn't seem right.
Forget about that. Go back to the bit about the blood.
The blood, okay. Well, blood should have a sweet juice as long as it is red and healthy.
Sweet.
And it can become blacker and thicker, for instance, if we are diseased. Now, the blood in men and women is different. In women, it is blacker and thicker.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. These are just the facts as I have observed them.
I mean, well, if he observed it. I don't see how we can check any of this.
Thank you. Also, salamanders can walk on fire.
What?